Scan the QR code or find the link in the description to order your own Pueblo Science robotics kit or donate a kit to a school in a remote community. To start coding, click Loops and click or drag the Repeat While block. Then click into Logic and click or drag the block that says True. Connect the True block to the Repeat While block. Next, open Logic again and get the If block. Nest it within the Repeat While piece. Under Logic, grab this comparison block and connect it to the If block. Under MISC, get the piece that says Left IR and place it on the left side of the comparison block. Change the equal sign to a less than sign. Open Math and put the 1, 2, 3 block on the right side of the comparison. Click on the text box and type in 1. After that, open Motors and take out the right servo block. Nest it within the Do section of the If block. Click the drop-down menu and change the action to Forward. Do the same with the left servo block. Now, click on the Gear button next to the If. Within the window that opens, drag and connect the Else piece below the If piece. Grab another right servo block and nest it within the Else section. Change the action to Reverse. Grab another left servo block and nest it within the same section. The left servo should be set to Forward. You can then make any adjustments to the speed of your wheels by clicking and typing in the text boxes. Make sure your robot is turned on and you are connected to its Wi-Fi if you want to try out your code. If you want to save your code and run it, click the floppy disk button. To run your code without saving, click the check mark. To stop the program from running, click the square stop button. If you want to undo or redo any actions, click the circular arrows. Lastly, if you would like to delete any blocks, you can drag them to the trash can.